What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today we'll be taking a look at some of the leaks, features, rumors, upcoming new additions to the OnePlus 6T. As you guys know, a few months back we got the new OnePlus 6 and as we all know, OnePlus always releases a newer updated version of their OnePlus in October, September, somewhere around that. And today we'll be looking, as I said, at some of the leaked features, specs, rumors, and everything along those lines. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. One of the most important and most hyped features of the upcoming OnePlus 6T is the inbuilt fingerprint scanner. Now, we have seen this on some of the Oppo devices that have a full front display, basically a bezel-less display, and while they could just implement fingerprint sensor on the back of the device, they decided to take a step forward and go with the new upcoming trend of having fingerprint sensors built into the display of the device, which in my opinion is really cool, so I'm definitely really excited for that. Another confirmed thing that we know about the OnePlus 6T is the fact that the company decided to ditch the 3.5mm headphone jack. They said that they have some solid pros or reasons and on why they decided to do that, and that the reasons, so the pros that the company or the phone will get by removing the 3.5mm headphone jack just outweigh the cons, and that they will include the appropriate adapters to still basically be able to use the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is really nice of the company. But then again, I'm really interested in what were or what are the reasons that basically that allow the company to decide to remove the headphone jack. The release date is apparently October 17th. Now, we have seen many different screenshots, leaks of the phone, and on all those screenshots we noticed the similar date, which is October 17th, and we basically, that date is confirmed for the OnePlus 6T event. One thing that's kind of interesting is the fact that Huawei will be announcing their brand new Mate 20 Pro just one day prior to that, so on October 16th, it's kind of interesting, but then again, I'm not complaining since we'll be getting two new phones in just 2 days, so that's absolutely awesome. Regarding the price, I'm pretty sure the price will stay right around the same, so around $530, which is exactly the same as it is now. I don't see the company pushing the price point any higher just because we are already getting close to that flagship price of, let's say, around $600-700 maybe. Sure, the phone is still pretty cheap for what you get, but I just doubt that OnePlus will decide to push the price point even higher. Another huge move with the upcoming OnePlus 6T is a potential partnership with T-Mobile. Now, in the US, OnePlus isn't that popular just because you can't get the phone on a contract, and if OnePlus really do pull out that deal or manage to make the deal with T-Mobile, OnePlus will basically get access to a whole new market, which is absolutely huge for both the phone and the company, so that's definitely really good. As I mentioned earlier, something we have been seeing with Oppo phones, for example Oppo F9, Oppo R17, is the water drop notch. And from the leaks that we have seen, so that is the box, some of the renders, we are basically sure that the phone will feature a water drop notch design along with that inbuilt fingerprint scanner on the front, as I mentioned earlier. Now, the water drop notch is really nice because it will basically allow you to have an almost entire front of the screen just to consume media, which is really cool. But then again, we will get even less bezels, which is always a nice thing to have. Unfortunately, I'm pretty doubtful that we will receive an IP rating just because we didn't receive one last year. Of course, the OnePlus 6T will be waterproof, we just won't get the official IP rating just because Well, in my opinion, as I mentioned a few weeks back, IP rating costs money, and therefore that would increase the price point of the OnePlus 6T or the OnePlus 6, and that is something that OnePlus is not looking forward to doing. Now, we have also seen some rumors about the triple rear camera. In my opinion, that won't be happening. Regarding the dimensions of the phone, the dimensions will be pretty much the same, but the phone will be just a tiny bit thicker. As I mentioned earlier, Oppo and OnePlus are basically one and the same company. They're companies under the big holding company named BBK, and that company is essentially pulling good features from other phones and making new phones as they go along. So that's why I said the new OnePlus will be based off of the Oppo R17 Pro. Here comes the question: will the OnePlus 6T have flash charger, I believe it is, from the Oppo Find X? What will be the specs, and all those questions. In my opinion, we'll be getting the same Snapdragon 845, we'll be getting 8GB of RAM, and we'll be getting the exact same camera that we have on the Oppo R17 Pro. So regarding the display, in my opinion, we will see a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display, which is a step up from the OnePlus 6. So display will be Full HD Plus on the OnePlus 6T. We will also be getting a 25 megapixel front camera and a dual rear camera with 16 and 5 megapixels, which is really good as well. We will also be getting a bigger battery, which is another improvement from the current OnePlus 6. The battery size will be probably around 3700 mAh, which is really good. That's quite a solid battery, especially considering you have dash charge, which is an extremely fast version of fast charging basically. Unfortunately, I doubt that we will see wireless charging. Once again, I'm not too sure why OnePlus just doesn't pull the trigger and implement wireless charging into the phone, but I guess we will just survive without it. Some of the other things that I maybe didn't mention that I'm pretty sure we'll get: Full HD Plus display, maybe stereo speakers, and also maybe NFC. Those are some of the things that I'm pretty sure we might see. I'm especially hoping we see stereo speakers. So these were basically all the things that I'm positive, or that I'm really hoping OnePlus 6 implements with their new flagship. Hopefully guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely consider dropping this video a like. Please leave me a comment down below telling me what features you are excited about and what you look forward to. And without further ado, I'll see you all next time.